What's up, guys? We're here in the clubhouse. We're doing the giveaway random for the auctions. It's late night here in Denver. We're gonna go live. We're live at 11:31. 11:31 here in Denver. We got the list right here. I'll just slowly go through that. A little bit shorter because Eminem wanted to be taken out like usual. We're gonna go 3 times, guys. Top 11, or sorry, top 10 are gonna win. 1, 2. We will take this timestamp. That is in at 11:31. Just turned 11:32. Third and final time, guys. Good luck. Boom. Top 10. Right there. Do the last timestamp first. $11.32. $11.32. We'll go get our list. Reed is on top. Hey, Reed, you get the championship club. Ruble. Sunrise Sunset. It's like a 6-way stick. Craig, you get the Sakic Black. Roy, you get the Hartman and Gardner lot. Craig, you get the Reinhardt True Up North. Chris, you get the Prism Football lot and the Project 2020 lot. Dan, Draz, you get the Domi and Fiala. A couple hockey cards for you. And Kyle, you get the Young Gun lot and the Garland Prism. So there you guys have it. Appreciate it, guys.